Hi everyone, welcome to the another video of Legacy Trades. Let me give a quick intro into the video कि आज हम लोग इस वीडियो में किस किस टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस लोगों के मन में सवाल उठता है कि ट्रेडिंग क्यों करें या ट्रेडिंग में क्यों एंटर करें. So we will take some real life examples की why one should invest in trade. Secondly, into our main topic which is how to trade using less capital. And the last topic will be how to be successful or profitable in your trading journey. So now let's get to our first question: why to trade and invest? So why to invest? I would like to give you an example, a real life example. There was a kid, 12 to 13 years old. It was his birthday. Birthday था उस बच्चे का 12 से 13 साल का. तो जनरली पार्टी रखी गई घर में. सब लोग गए पार्टी में. कुछ लोग स्वीट्स ले गए, कपड़े ले गए, खिलौने ले गए. उसमें से एक लड़के का पिताजी का फ्रेंड था. उन्होंने उसको 500 शेयर्स गिफ्ट किए उस समय पे. आज वो लड़का 12 से 13 साल का लड़का आज वो 30 साल का है. और आज उसके पास तब वो शेयर्स जब उन्होंने गिफ्ट किए थे तो वो 25,000 रुपीज़ के थे. और आज वो शेयर्स अराउंड 50 लाख रुपीज़ के हैं. बोनसेस मिला के, प्राइस इंक्रीज मिला के. कुड यू इमेजिन 50 lakh rupees in 30 years? इट इज़ अ बिग डील. सम गिफ्ट बिकॉज उन्होंने एक एसेट ऐसा गिफ्ट किया कि वो ग्रो करता गया टाइम के साथ, उसकी एज के साथ. और आज 30 साल की उम्र में उसके पास 50 लाख रुपए. सो आई वुड टेल यू द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्सन एंड ऑल्सो द नेम ऑफ द शेयर, but in the comment box. So coming to our next topic, how to trade with low capital. When talking about low capital, one cannot define how much low is low. So amount of 50,000 to 1 lakh will be considered low here when talking about low capital, because this is the amount most of the people, retail traders, put into stock market. So when talking about how to be successful while trading with low capital, there are margin facilities available. Some brokers give margin. As of Angel Broking gives 4 into delivery margin. We will be talking about equity only here, because in equity you have a confidence and you can hold it until it turns profitable, and you you can place your assets and targets you want to achieve. Equity is kind of easy for new traders, because it does not cause chaos and the tension and pressure of day trading. So we will be talking about equity purely. So if you have a low capital and can analyze charts, can pick stocks that give good return, then you could take the 4 into margin from Angel Broking. Buying a stock, you just have to simply select the margin option when taking delivery in the order window. Automatically you will get almost 4 into margin for buying the stock. Suppose that you have 4,000 rupees in your account, then you could buy stocks up to 16,000 rupees. But as nothing comes for free, so it also does not comes obviously. So when you will be taking margin from Angel Broking, then Angel Broking charges 0.049% of the total transaction amount. For example, when you buy stocks worth rupees 1 lakh, so Angel Broking will be taking 49 rupees per day as interest. So it's okay if you are confident about your trade and the stocks you have purchased. And the second catch in this is the margin is available for a period of 1 month. So you have to sell your stock at the end of 1 month, whether the position is in profit or loss. So what I suggest to retail trader is that do not go for margin in the start. Do not go for margin. If you can trade with your own capital, because the thing is that if you are earning profit on the margin, then the loss will be also on margin. Suppose that you have 10,000 rupees and you go and buy shares worth rupees 40,000. So a loss of 4,000 on the purchase of 40,000 will be 10% of 40,000. But when it comes to your original capital, which is 10,000 only, that will be 40% of your whole cap. That is too huge a loss to take in a single trade. So I suggest personally don't go for margin, just trade with your available funds. So before we move to our next and last topic, I would request you all to Please like and subscribe my channel so that you could get such useful information regularly. And now coming forward to our most important and last topic, how to be successful while trading. So to be successful, first thing you have to keep in mind, the first lesson, you have to save your capital. It's not necessary that you trade, but if necessary, you should save and conserve the capital you have brought with you. Losses are normal and they will happen. But don't let your greed and urge to trade draw down or wipe out your capital. Second lesson would be trade management. Know how to manage your trades. Always get into a trade with a set stop loss and target. Always set your stop losses and target. Third thing is whenever taking a trade, diversify your portfolio. Don't keep all your eggs into one basket. Here I mean to say, if you have a capital of 1 lakh rupees and you are trading in equity, generally swing trading in equity, then allocate 10% to a single stock, 10 to 15, so that if you have a loss also, then you could cover it from the profits from other trades. Fourth lesson, the journey to be a successful trader would be limit your losses. Don't let your losses run. And how will you do that? First of all, you will do that by placing stop loss. Secondly, there is only two things. Either you will have a profit in a trade or a loss in a trade. So just keep in mind whenever you have a loss in a trade, try and try to limit it. Try to limit that loss. So whenever you have a profit, it should be greater than the losses you have had. So cut your losses short and let your profit run. Thank you all for watching this video and please like and subscribe and I wish you all a happy trading and investing career.